Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the channel. Since the crypto space is currently in a bear market, I found an amazing project that allows you to earn rewards while learning and completing tasks, and it's called BitDegree. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. But let's right now dive into the BitDegree project. So as I mentioned, BitDegree lets you earn rewards while learning and completing tasks. And as you can see here on their official website, we can see the fun and smart way to earn rewards. Ace quick missions and earn rewards while gaining real-world Web3 skills. And as you can see, this platform already has a huge community with 127,000 people actively using it to gain rewards. And there are actually two ways how to get started. So first one, you can connect your wallet onto your PC. So here is the button, connect your wallet. So you connect your wallet and you are starting. And second one, you can download the app on your phone. And as you can see, also they have this button here, get started. It's available for both Android and Apple devices. And personally, I downloaded the app on my phone because I find it much easier to use it on the go. Plus, it allows you to complete tasks anywhere rather than being limited to your PC. But again, it's definitely up to you how you will use this app. As I said, there is two options, so use the one that is comfortable for you. And lower, actually, we can see their social media. So you know me, I always recommend to follow project on all the social media to never miss all the important updates. And if we scroll down, we can find how does it work. So actually, BitDegree has this short video explaining how BitDegree works. But if we scroll down, we can see. So first one, ACE missions. So what does that mean? So complete exciting missions from your favorite brands. The more micro tasks you solve, the more bits you collect, the bigger your crypto rewards will be. Secondly, gain skills. So this is the learning part. So BitDegree missions provides real-world skills throughout the learn and earn model. Level up your crypto knowledge with the best motivator, valuable rewards. And lastly, the most exciting part, get rewards. So complete missions, refer as many friends as you can, and earn exclusive airdrops, crypto rewards, tokens, and other valuable prizes from biggest brands. And as we are right now talking about rewards, and they are the most exciting part on this project, we can actually check rewards from the best in the industry. So actually, this is their partner list, like Ledger, BD5, for example, Binance, KuCoin, VireX. So I always say the more well-known names a project has on their partner list, the more legit it is. These companies have done their own research and still decided to collaborate with BitDegree. So again, this is a super green flag from my perspective. So basically, that's a quick overview of what BitDegree is and how it works. And now let's open the app and check it out. So this is how the app looks. And actually, when you open the app for the first time, you get, as you can see, 500 bits, meaning you are getting your first 500 points, or in other words, reward just for downloading the app and signing up. So lower here, you can see the missions for different apps. So the amazing part is that you can complete these missions and gain bits, plus you're learning about crypto while you take these tasks. So actually, I think this is super and really exciting because you get the knowledge and the rewards. And actually, I'm super impressed of how much tasks they have here, because sometimes apps does 20-30 tasks for entire app and you finish all the tasks in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. But BitDegree is really not the case, because here they have loads and load tasks for you guys. So you can see how big of the rewards they are offering. So for example, this task, Treason 1 and Model T, tested, trusted, and true, you will get 1,000 bits and 1 mystery rewards. For example, other one, you will get 1.4 thousand bits and 250 USDT plus 1 reward. And if we scroll, we can see, for example, this one, you will get 1,300 bits and 5 Solana by completing this task. So yeah, so if you want to complete this task, just push this button and do your own research before, because they will do the quiz and you actually need to know the answers. So this is the learning part. You actually need to learn about the project to get these rewards. And if we scroll down, there's a filter, as you can see. For example, newest, trending, biggest bits rewards, biggest USDC rewards. So it's super, super nice that you can filter out what you are actually looking for. So yeah, as I said, there's loads and loads of tasks here. And actually, the biggest motivation is rewards, as I said. So let's go to this button, Airdrop. So Airdrop Season 7 is now open. Collect as many bits as possible during the season to guarantee your stake of the $30,000 airdrop pool. So Season 7 just started. And as I said, there is airdrop prize pool of $30,000. And as you can see, there is still 39 days left. So definitely you still have time to participate. And actually here you can see the top gainers. So as we can see, there's loads and loads of people who are super, super active here. So I definitely recommend you to start doing these tasks, climb the leaderboard, and you will have the bigger pie of this $30,000 prize pool. So actually, this is one of the way how you can collect bits. So you're doing your task, you participate in the airdrop, and then you get the money, and then you get your reward. But actually, there is a second way. So let's click this button, friends. So this project actually has this huge referral program. So invite to earn bits. Invite friends. You and your best friend will receive bonuses. So as we can see, invite a friend. So for you and for each of your invited friend, at first you will get 1,200 bits. And invite more friends to reach tier 1 bonus. And in tier 1, you will get 2,000 bits monthly bonus for you as an extra reward. So I think it's super, super nice, and it's definitely super easy to do. Just invite your friends and you and your friends will be getting rewards. So I think it's super, super amazing. So as I just downloaded this app, I didn't invite anyone, but I will do it after the video. So for example, tier 1, invite 5 friends and then you will get 2K. Then tier 2, invite 50 friends and you will get 3,000 bits. Tier 3, tier 4, and tier 5. So for example, if you invite 5,000 friends, you will get 10,000 bits. I think it's super, super amazing. And actually, I also have my referral link. So I will be really thankful if you join with my link in the description, because you and me will get bits. And also, this is how my channel will grow. And lastly, we have bonuses. So you can actually also in this app earn extra bits. So get bonuses easily by finishing super quick tasks. For example, invite a friend, give a 5-star on the App Store, prepare for airdrop, create Binance account, follow BitDegree on X. So you can see there's loads of small tasks that you can earn 1,000 bits, 500 bits, like a lot of rewards just by completing super, super simple tasks. So this platform has various ways how to earn rewards and earn money on this bearish market right now. So definitely try out this platform because it's free and you just need to register and that's it. So yeah, guys, use the link in the description to start now. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.